Hey guys, it's Steve here. We're just down at the pier. We're going to KOH LARN again today, but we're going to go to a different beach. We're going to Tien Beach. But instead of going by ferry this time, we're going to go by speedboat. And the price is for the speedboat is 150 baht one way, and we'll get there a lot quicker. And we'll see you when we're at on KOH LARN. Okay, see you guys. This is the boat we're going on. Let's have a quick look around Pattaya here. It's a very hot, humid morning already. Okay guys, we'll leave it there. We'll see you on the island. Hey guys, we're at Tien Beach. When we got to KOH LARN, it took us 15 minutes exactly by the speedboat, and then we paid a motorbike taxi from the pier down to Tien Beach. That was 50 baht per person, and that took about 10 minutes on the motorbike taxi. And now we're here. Check that beautiful beach. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, it's very, very hot here today. Can't wait to go for a swim. This beach is very private. Not many people here. It's a good thing that I like about it. You're not queuing for anything. We've actually got the beach to ourselves. The first thing I want to do is just get something to eat. Starving. It's our last day in Pattaya. We go back to Korat. Got a lot of kayaks over there, canoes to hire. Over there as well. You can go on one of those banana boat joy rides. They have jet skis here as well. Looks like someone doing some metal detecting over there. I got my scuba detector with me. Might do some underwater scuba detecting here. I brought it with me today. Nice looking trees over there. Okay guys, I'll end it here because I want to go get something to eat. I'll do some more videoing when we come back. See you shortly. Hey guys, just ordered our breakfast. This is where we're sitting. It is beautiful out here. They forgot Sydney. That's awesome. This is beautiful here. You believe this on the beach? So cute.